Hey Tuck followers, Keith and Jackson here. Today we're going to be opening up the OkiFlex Mattress. Now this is an 11-inch hybrid mattress. Comes with a 365-night trial, ships free, and comes with a 10-year warranty. Let's take a look inside. This thing is taller than me. Which makes it a little difficult. Okay.
Looks like we've got a welcome packet. The opener.
And there we have it, the OkiFlex. This thing recovered pretty well. I would still say give it another probably 24 hours. Off-gassing is really not bad.
Yeah, it's pretty minimal. Not a lot of smell. It's definitely not a very responsive feel. There's no bounce.
Nope, there isn't. The coil system is rock hard.
Yeah.
Jackson, where would you put this on the firmness scale?
Oh, let's give it a shot. I'd say it's a 5.5, 6.
I'd put it at a 6.
Medium firm.
You sink through, you definitely feel the coils. They're firm coils underneath.
Yeah. Lie on your side on this thing?
I think this is more of a back and stomach
Yeah,
for me.
It is decently conforming though. It'll absorb your pressure points in your shoulders and hips.
Now, can you feel me?
No, pretty dead. Can you feel me?
No?
Yeah, pretty good. Motion isolation's pretty solid. Feels
The edge
nice.
support is actually
Looks pretty solid.
Pretty solid.
What about lying close to the edge of the bed?
I would say I feel quite supported. Totally fine.
No roll off. Yeah, I mean, it feels like there's a foam perimeter around the edge here, which probably accounts for some of that stronger edge support that we're feeling.
And there you have it, guys, the OkiFlex. Check out tuck.com for the full written review. And for up-to-date pricing and exclusive discounts for Tuck followers, check the description below the video.
Take a peek at our Facebook and Twitter feed. We do giveaways all the time for mattresses and pillows and other bedding and sleep products. And stay up to date with all of our sleep news.
Sleep well.